welcome back to my video. Today's video is going to be just another regular makeup tutorial, but I am using some new products and I will be showing you guys throughout the video. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you like. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, let's just get into this look. See you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a first impressions on some of the items that or some of the products, I'm sorry, that I'm be using. So but I'll show you guys everything that I'll be using. But yeah, I just washed my face and then I just went in and moisturized it with this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel moisturizer. And oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love it. Next to my Olay. But yeah, so just moisturizing my face. And then I actually have two primers, so I'm going to go on with the Too Face Hangover RX Face Primer, or Replenishing Face Primer. And then also the Too Face Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So it looks like that. So I'm going to be going in with both of these to primer. To moisturize a little bit more, I'm going to go on with the Milani Prep and Smooth Camilla Oil. Looks like this. And a little bit of this goes a long way. I love this. I also have the other one. I think it's Primus something, but it's the pink one. But yeah, I like these. They work real well. But you don't need a lot of them, especially if you have oily skin. A little, trust me, a little goes a long way. For brows, I'm going to go on with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And this is in the color, I think it's 6. Yeah, 6. And to prime my eyes and clean up the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And this is in the shade Medium, which is CW05. It looks like that. And this is a new product. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. And yeah, I'm going to be using this. I actually wanted to do like a glitter cut crease, but I don't know. We'll see. So I'm using a Morphe Y16 brush, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is this light pinkish kind of shade. Now I'm going in with the Y18 brush and going in with this deeper purple right here and just going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm just going in with a flat shader brush, or it's actually a concealer brush, but I'm going to spray it with some setting spray, and I think I want to go in with that purple color right there in the middle. Yeah, this one right here. And put that on the middle of the lid, and then go in with this color right here and put it on the inner, or yeah, the inner part of my lid. Going in with the Y22 brush to deepen up, and I'm going in with this purple shade right here just to deepen up my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to start on my face, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and it's supposed to wear up to 24 hours, and this is in the shade 360 Mocha. Looks like that. I don't know why I always try to twist this off, like, and it comes right off. But I'm always trying to twist it off. I have not used this foundation in a long time because it makes me oily. Like, I feel like no matter what type of primer I use, well, I use a mattifying primer, but whatever type of primer or whatever type of setting powder I use, it still makes me oily. I feel like that's just how oily my skin is, but I don't know. We'll see how it wears today. And for concealer, I'm going back in with that Makeup Revelation in the shade C13. And now I'm going to go in right away with my Too Face Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Medium. I'm going to go in right away and set my under eyes because I crease, and I crease fast. I don't know if I'm tripping or what, but this looks dark. But I do like how finely milled this powder is. It just melts right into your skin. And the reason why I got this powder was because I tried the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Perfect Peach powder or something like that, mattifying Perfect Peach powder, and I loved it. Like, it was just like kind of like this, like it reminds me of it a little bit. But it's like a mattifying setting powder, but it's like when you blend it into your skin and it just like melts away, and I like that. Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer and the shade, or in the shade Mahogany. Looks like that. So now to dust off this Too Face setting powder, I'm just going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Deep, number 60. And to contour my nose, I'm just going to go on with that same Anastasia ABH bronzer in the shade Mahogany and the Y15 brush. And now for blush, I'm going in with my ABH Blush Trio, and this is in the shade Very Adore, and I'm going to use this little shade right here. Actually, right here. And now I'm going back in with this Hangover 3-in-1 set replenishing primer and setting spray, and I'm just going to set my face. And before that completely dries, I'm going to go on with my Glow Kit by ABH as well. And I'm going to go on with the shade Bronze to highlight with. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go on with the shade Summer, which is the shade right here. Milani Supreme Coat Cajole Liner, and this is in the shade Black. So line my bottom waxer line. I'm going in with the Milani Supreme Coat Cajole Liner, and this is in the shade Black.
Mom, I'm behind you.
What the freak? What are you doing behind me? And for mascara, I'm just going in with my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up, and this is waterproof. I'm just going to line my eyes, my top lash line a little bit. To set my brows in place, I'm just going to go on with the Rimmel London Brow This Way brow gel. And to line my lips, I'm going to go on with this liner. I got it off of Amazon. It came in like a set of 12, but it's by Q-Best, and it's the Persistent liner. And it's like in this deep brownish, burgundy-ish like shade. I'm just going to line my lips with that.
Oh man.
Okay, and now I'm going in with my Fancy lip gloss, and this is in the shade Fussy. Or it's the Gloss Bomb, sorry. But yeah, this is in the shade Fussy. And I really like her lip glosses because they're not too sticky and they're not too liquidy. They're just right for me. But yeah, I'm gonna give my face another spray. And this time I'm using a Too Face Peach Mist, the mattifying setting spray.